In this video, I'll be presenting on the topic of class diagrams, specifically focusing on the structure and use in designing an online course reservation system. Now, let us understand what exactly is a class diagram. Class diagrams are essential in object-oriented programming and software engineering. They visually represent the structure of a system by showing its classes, attributes, methods, and the relationships between them. Class diagrams serve as blueprints during the software design phase, enabling both developers and the stakeholders to clearly understand the system's architecture and their functionality. Now, let us discuss about the key components of the class diagram. They are classes, attributes, methods, and relationships. Coming to classes, these represent entities in the system like student, course, or account. And the next one is attributes. These are the characteristics or data fields within a class. For instance, the student class may have attributes like name, email, and ID. And the next one is methods. These define the actions or functions that a class can perform, such as registering for a course or updating profile information. And next one is relationships. This is how classes connect to each other, whether through inheritance, aggregation, or association. These relationships define how classes interact and depend on one another. Now let's discuss about the relationships in class diagrams. Relationships are crucial in understanding class interactions. Here there are three kinds of relationships: inheritance, aggregation, and association. Coming to inheritance, this creates a parent-child relationship. For example, a graduate student class might inherit from a student class, gaining its attributes and methods. Next one is aggregation. This shows a whole part relationship where a class is composed of other classes. For instance, a course class may contain multiple module classes. And the next one is association. It depicts a general link between classes. For example, a student and a course are associated because students enroll in courses. Let's look at the class diagram for our online course reservation system. The key entities here include course, student, account, and registration. Coming to course contains attributes such as course code, title, description, and duration. And the next one is student. This represents students with attributes like student ID, name, email, and contact number. Next one is account. Manages user accounts typically linked to students. Attributes include account ID and student ID. And the next one is registration. This handles course enrollments. It captures details like account ID, course code, and grade. This class ensures that students are properly registered for the course they selected. Now let's examine the associations between these entities. The first one is account student, a one-to-one association where each account is linked to exactly one student profile. This connection allows the system to retrieve student information based on the associated account. The next one is account registration. This is a one-to-many association where one account can have multiple course registrations, allowing students to enroll in various courses. An account is used to register for courses where the registration entity holds details about the registered courses. And the next one is registration course. A many-to-one association where multiple registrations can reference a single course, but each registration is tied to one specific course. The registration entity links a student account to specific courses they are enrolled in using the course code. Now let's discuss about the attributes and methods of each class of the class diagram of online course registration system. First one is course registration handler, which handles actions like viewing and dropping the courses. The methods include view course information, which displays the details of the selected course, and drop course, allows a student to withdraw from a course. The second one is account class. The attributes involve account ID, type, and the student ID. And the methods include create account, which creates a new user account, and confirm account, which activates an account in the system. And the next one is student class, stores detailed information about each student, and attributes involve student name, major, gender, and the date of birth, and contact information. And the methods include create student, which adds a new student profile, and get student information, which retrieves the student details. And the next one is registration class. which manages the enrollment of the student in the courses. And the attributes of this class involve uh, account ID, course code, exam ID, and grade. And the methods include create registration, which registers a student for a specific course, and the next one is drop course, which cancels an existing course registration. And the final class of this system is course class, uh, which represents a course offered in the system, including details about scheduling and instructors. And the attributes include course code, title, type, credit, date, time, venue, and instructor. And the methods include create course, which adds a new course to the system, and get course information, which retrieves detailed course information. So we have gone through how class diagrams can effectively model the structure of an online course reservation system. By defining entities, attributes, and methods along with their associations, we create a clear framework that guides system development and ensures functionality aligns with their user needs. That concludes my presentation. Thank you.